In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Lucidchart in just 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and get started by logging into Lucidchart. First, you'll want to head over to lucidchart.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll see the login page where you can enter your email and password. Once you've entered those details, simply click that login button to access your account. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to your documents. You can do this by clicking on the Documents option in the main menu. This will take you to a page where you can manage all of your Lucidchart files. Here, you'll want to look for the New button to start a new document, which you'll find quite easily. Clicking this button will give you several template options or a blank canvas to choose from depending on what kind of work you're looking to create. Once you've selected your desired template or blank canvas, go ahead and open it up by clicking on the document. Now that your document is open, it's time to add some text. On the left side of your screen, you'll see various tools. Locate the T icon, which represents the text tool. Click on that and you can now drag and drop a text box anywhere on your canvas. This flexibility allows you to place your text wherever it best fits your design or workflow diagram. With your text box in place, simply click inside it to begin typing your text. But that's not all. If you prefer your text to be inside a shape, Lucidchart offers you that option too. Instead of just the text tool, choose a shape from the toolbar and drag it onto your canvas. Once your shape is added, click inside it to start typing just as you would with a regular text box. The ability to insert text directly into shapes is particularly useful for creating flowcharts or when outlining specific steps in a process, as it helps in making your charts more readable and visually appealing. Feel free to customize the font, size and color from the properties bar at the top to make your text stand out or blend into your design just the way you envision. And that's it, you've learned how to add text to your Lucidchart document with ease. Go ahead and try it out in your projects, whether it's for work, school, or whatever creative venture you're working on. With these tools in your arsenal, your diagram